Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to continue coal and its type and also the products of coal. So, first of all, what is coal? It is a black, hard, combustible substance. Combustible means the substance which can burn. So, coal can burn because it consists of more than 50% of carbon with a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen and a small amount of nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. It is used as fuel for cooking food and also in railway engines to produce steam, in thermal power station to produce electricity. Nowadays, the cooking food by coal, it is substituted by LPG. Formation of coal. It is formed from the dead remains of dense forest in low-lying wetland areas that got buried under the earth about 300 to 400 millions of years ago. It is a very slow process. It takes millions of years to form. When it get buried inside the earth, then in the absence of oxygen, it get converted into coal, and this slow conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. The dead plants which got compressed as gravel and soil got deposited over them, and due to high temperature, high pressure, and anaerobic condition, it gets changed into coal. Different stages of coal formation. While coal formation, different stages are there, and on the basis of this formation of coal is divided into four types: peat, lignite, and bituminous, and anthracite. Or we can say it is on the basis of carbon content. So first stage when the vegetation gets buried under the soil and remains there for millions of years. The material called peat is formed there. Peat is having very little amount of carbon in it and high moisture content. So it is a worst quality of coal. Second stage, when the pit gets compressed between sediment layers and a brown coal called lignite is formed. It is consist of very little moisture and nearly about 70% of carbon. It is soft and can be crumbled. Third stage is further compression of lignite. Again, the lignite coal is compressed and the coal formed there is known as bituminous coal, which is dense, dark, and brittle with almost no moisture and impurities. The carbon content here is 80 to 85%. And the final stage, when bituminous coal remains under the soil for a long time and extreme pressure is subjected there, then the coal formed is known as anthracite. It is hard and has semi-metallic luster. Contains about 94 to 98% carbon, low moisture content, and also known as smokeless coal because it burned without smoke as it is having high percentage of carbon. So on this basis, the coal is divided into four types: peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. Next is products of coal. When the coal is subjected in the absence of oxygen, then dry distillation of coal take place, and this can produce three products. The solid product is known as coke, the liquid product is known as coal tar, and the gaseous product is known as coal gas. So first is coke. The solid residue left behind after dry distillation of coal is called coke, and it contains 98% of carbon. It is hard and porous. So it is better than coal. Coke is better than coal because it contains large amount of carbon. Uses: it is used in a smokeless fuel as a smokeless fuel and used as the extraction of metals like iron, and also used in the preparation of fuel gas, for example producer gas and water gas. Producer gas is a mixture of coke and nitrogen, and water gas is a mixture of coke and steam, H2O. Then coal tar: it is the liquid, dark oil, black oily liquid which is having unpleasant smell, and it is a complex mixture of about 200 organic compounds. Uses: used to make a number of useful products like insecticides, drugs, dyes, paints, perfumes, naphthalene balls, etc. And second, the residue left after destructive distillation of coal tar is used to surface the road. You have seen surfacing of the road. It is done by coal tar. And third is coal gas. It is a mixture of methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and other gases. As it is gaseous product, so it is a mixture of certain gases, and the gas present here is methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and some other gases also. It is a flammable gas, that means it can burn, and known as town gas. It has a high calorific value. Uses: it is used for cooking and lighting purposes, and it is an important industrial fuel because it produces a lot of heat on burning. So the three products of coal is coke, coal tar, and coal gas.